Hello students, so in this video we will discuss a question on concentration terms from NCERT. Question is to calculate molality, mole fraction of Ki if the density of 20% mass by mass solution of Ki is 1.202 grams per milliliter. So it is asking to calculate three things: molarity and mole fraction, and the mass by mass percentage and density is given to us. Now first we will note down the question, then I will start solving it. Okay, now let us solve this question. Answer: 20% by mass means what? 20% mass by mass aqueous Ki solution means 20 grams of Ki is present in 100 grams of solution. Grams of Ki present in 100 grams of solution. So percentage mass by mass, whatever is the percentage mass by mass, means that many grams of solute present in 100 grams of solution. So 20% mass by mass means 20 grams of solute present in 100 grams of solution. So mass of solute is known to us. Solute is our Ki. Mass of Ki is 20 grams. Mass of solution means the total mass. Solute plus solvent is solution. So total mass of solution is 100 grams. Then mass of solvent is water. Mass of solvent, that is water, equal to solution minus solute is solvent. Solution, total mass of solution minus mass of solute is solvent. So 100 minus 20 equal to 80 grams. So our mass of solvent we found out. Now first let us find out its molality. Small m, molality. You see, to find out molality, what do we need? We know molality equal to number of moles of solute, N2. N represents number of moles. 2 means for solute, the subscript 2. Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. W is mass, 1 for solvent. So W1 is mass of solvent. Molality equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Okay. So mass of solvent we have, that is 80 grams. We need to find out the number of moles of Ki. So to find out number of moles of Ki, what do we need? Number of moles equal to given mass by molar mass. So we have the given mass of the solute. Solute is Ki, 20 grams. Molar mass of Ki we can calculate very easily by, that is atomic mass of Ki, sorry, molecular mass of Ki. Let us do it in the next step. Okay, now we will find out molality. We have the mass of solvent. We need the number of moles. We need the number of moles of Ki. So first is your molar mass of Ki. Potassium mass is 39, iodine mass 127. So when we will add this, it will come out to be 166 grams per mole. Mass of Ki we already have, that is 20 grams, which we already concluded in the previous discussion. 20% mass by mass Ki means 20 grams of Ki. So mass of solute, that is Ki, is already there with us. Molar mass we found out just, that is molecular mass. Atomic mass, sum of atomic masses. Atomic mass of potassium 39, atomic mass of iodine 127, and mass of Ki that we got from the previous discussion. Now we will find out the number of moles. Number of moles of Ki, that is equal to N2. That is, let us give a symbol. W means mass, 2 means for solute. This is the mass, given mass of solute. This symbol we will use capital M2. Capital M represents molar mass. The subscript 2 represents solute. So M2, capital M2 is the molar mass of solute. W2 is the given mass of solute. So you know number of moles equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass. So this implies N2 is equal to 20 by 166. So when we calculate, we will get 0.120. We got the number of moles of Ki. Now we need the mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent. Solvent is water. We have used W1 symbol. W1 is mass of solvent. That's equal to 80 grams. Convert in kg, that is 0.080 kg. Okay. So we have everything. Now we can very easily calculate. Okay. Molality equal to number of moles of solute N2 by W1, number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. So number of moles of solute 0.120 by mass of solvent in kg 0.080. Okay. So after substituting, we will get as, if we calculate, you will get 1.5 K, 1.5 moles per kg. Mole kg inverse. That is the unit of molality. Okay, because this is moles, number of moles. Below one is kg, so moles kg inverse. So we got the molality. The first bit is over. Now we will go for molarity. Complete this, then we will go for molarity. Okay, now let us calculate molarity. Capital M. Molarity. How to calculate molarity? Let us see that. Molarity, option number B. we have to calculate molarity. Okay, capital M. Now to calculate molarity, what do we need? Number of moles of solute, already there with us. We have calculated in option number A or bit A. And volume of solution is required, because you know molarity is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Okay, so we require the volume of solution. How to calculate the volume of solution? We have density of the solution given to us. Density is given to be 1.202 grams per milliliter. And we have mass of solution. Mass of solution we have, that is 100 grams. 20% mass by mass means 20 grams of solute present in 100 grams of solution. So total mass of solution is 100 grams. Density of the solution is 1.202 grams per milliliter. Then you know density equal to mass by volume. So this implies that volume V equal to mass by density. Okay, volume V will be equal to mass by density. Mass is 100 grams, density is 1.202. So when we will divide, we will get the volume to be 83.2 milliliter. We got our volume. Let us convert in liters, that is 0.0832 liters. Divide by 1000. Now we will calculate the molarity using this formula. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Now we have the volume of solution V. Okay, in liters also. Now let us find molarity. Numerator is number of moles of solute. We calculated in the previous step. Solute is Ki. Its mole was 0.120. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. We found out. Okay. So when we will calculate the molarity, it will come out to be 1.44 molar. 1.44 molar, or you can write moles per liter. Okay. So this is how we calculated the molarity. Next we will calculate the last bit, mole fraction. Okay. Now let us calculate the last bit, that is mole fraction. The C, that is the third bit, mole fraction. Mole fraction symbol we know everyone, that is we give it this symbol, sometimes called as xi or x. Now to calculate mole fraction, what do we need? We need number of moles of solute as well as number of moles of solvent. Number of moles of solute, that is Ki, is known to us. Number of moles of Ki, let us give it a symbol N2. 2 for solute, N is number of moles. So N2 is number of moles of solute, 0.120. We already have it. Okay. Now we need number of moles of solvent, that is water. Number of moles of water. Water is our solvent. So that will be equal to mass of water by molar mass of water. Given mass by molar mass. W is the given mass, 1 for solvent. Subscript 1 is used for solvent. So W is the given mass of water, given mass of solvent, and capital M1 is the molar mass of solvent. Molar mass of water we know 18 grams, 1818. So given mass of solvent we had calculated 80 grams mass of solvent by molar mass 18. So when we divide and calculate, it will come out to be 4.44 moles. 4.44 moles. So we got N1 also. Given mass 80 grams, we deduced from the starting by molar mass. Molar mass of water is 18 grams H2O, the molecular mass of water. So given mass by molar mass, we calculated the number of moles of water, N1. Now we will calculate mole fraction. Okay, we will give symbol of mole fraction X2, that is equal to N2 by N1 plus N2. Whose mole fraction you have to calculate? Its number of moles will be in the numerator. Okay, I have to calculate mole fraction of Ki. So its number of moles of Ki will be in the numerator, divided by sum of moles of all the component. Two components there, Ki and water. The denominator will be sum of moles of Ki and water. So when we calculate this, we will substitute N2 is 0.120, number of moles of solute, by sum of moles of solute plus solvent, 0.120 plus 4.44. Okay, so when we calculate this, the mole fraction will come out to be, if you calculate, mole fraction will come out 0.0263. 0.0263. So I am mentioning here that I am calculating mole fraction of Ki. Symbol I have mentioned here. Okay, so we calculated it. So that's all for all the 3 bits. Thank you.